Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Bollywood Now.
After promotions, we also see the other side of Sushant. We have seen his inability to control temper. Do you think an actor?
Oh, I thought the side that that we put up yesterday.
No.
Did you see the video that we put up yesterday?
No, I was talking about the.
You must see that video.
No, what I was trying to ask is he's often he's unable to control his temper, and during the Rapta press conference, what we have seen during the promotional events, two of it. Do you think an actor who is often considered as a role model should not display his erratic behavior in public?
It's very strange because I firstly have known him through the filming process when Dhoni had not released. I saw him when Dhoni was releasing and I saw him post Dhoni, and for me he's been the same person. I think it's unfortunate that things have been taken in a wrong way at the two events that you're talking about. One of them, I think, purely just saying the fact that you don't know about something is not putting off anger. It's just saying and being confident about the fact that, okay, I'm aware of the fact that I don't know fully about this topic and I'm confident enough to say it, which is absolutely fine. I don't know what went wrong at that event. I think things were taken in a very wrong way, in a different way. Sorry?
His body language.
No, but nobody can see the body language of the person who's talking at the other end, no? And the fact is that we have a mic. So if the other person is talking to us in a particular tone and you talk in that same manner on a mic, it sounds different. So it's very unfortunate that it's been taken in a wrong way, I feel. I know him as a person and he's not like that. He's not short-tempered at all. And in fact the other event तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं था. I don't know why उसने post भी डाला था एक expression जो कहीं और से morph किया गया था. So I don't know why people do this, that they actually make the effort of going to another event's expression, copying that and pasting it on another event's expression. It's bizarre. I really feel, and उस time पे I know that again we were talking to a journalist with a lot of noise, and he was far away. So when you tend to talk to a person who's far away without a mic there, in a public environment, you tend to increase your volume, which sounds like aggression. So I really feel that it's not like that, and I hope people see it also like this.